Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here my activity. Ma'am, can you see it?
Very nice, Adrika. Very nice. Perfectly done. Adrika, can you show us to convert 1 kilometer into meters? Can you
Yes,
show us
ma'am.
1 kilometers to meters? Show. बेटा क्या करते हैं देखो Adrika, see what happens. Everyone see. Let me show you on my board itself. Just give me a minute. Let me rub my board. Then I'll show you in my board कि क्या करना है. Yes. आपको क्या करना है? See how to do this. आपको जो किलो लिखा है, if you are changing kilo, किलो में आप 1 लोगे. As you can see my video, everyone. Adrika, look here, beta. First of all, what I'm teaching you. See, as you can see, 1 kilo. अगर आपको किलोमीटर चेंज करना है, 1 किलोग्राम मान लो चेंज करना है इनटू ग्राम्स, तो आप किलो में 1 लिखोगे. आप you will keep increasing 1 zero here. Keep increasing 1 zero here. You will keep increasing 1 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. जैसे I had asked you to put it in one line. तो आप 1 0 1 फिर एक 0 extra फिर एक 0 extra, like this you have to do. And beta, one more thing I forgot. Do one more thing. Do like this. Make one arrow in the corner and write up, divide, और down के लिए just write multiply. Do like this. Do like this quickly.
Ma'am, on our chart paper,
Yes, on your chart
we have
paper.
stick on the cardboard.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
उसी चार्ट पेपर पे डाउन के लिए मल्टीप्लाई, अप के लिए डिवाइड, एंड यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द जीरोस बाय 1. सपोज आपको 1 मीटर, सी किलो, हेक्टर, लेट मी शो यू, डेका, यूनिट, डेसी, सेंटी and milli. Now suppose you have to convert 1 meter into 1 decameter into decimeter. Decameter आपका ये रहा, decameter into decimeter. अब आपको decameter को decimeter में convert करना है. तो how will you show? अदर बाकी सबके जीरो सबके अंदर रख दो. Keep them inside it. All the zeros must be kept inside it. Okay? तो आप क्या करोगे? आपको डेका को चेंज करना है तो डेका पे 1 लोगे आप. यूनिट पे फिर you will increase 1 0 here, 1 0. You will increase 1 more 0 here, 1 0 0. So 1 decameter is equals to 100 decimeter. Like this you have to make video. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, like this we have to make the arrow.
Wait for a minute, Pratishta. First look here. What I'm telling you, you should have to make one video. How you are converting it. So you will make, suppose you can take anything. You can take 1 hectometer, hectogram, 2 gram. अगर आप ये कर रहे हो, you will show we are changing 1 hectogram 2 gram. So how will we convert 1 hectogram to gram? If it is 1 hectogram, तो 1 hectogram यहाँ पर आएगा. You will increase 1 0 here. You will increase 0 here, 2 zeros here, and here it will be gram. So it means 1 hectogram has 100 grams. Okay, like this you have to show, make one video. Can you show?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you show this type like this in one video? Can you make such video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because beta, you made the charts very nicely, very nicely. Divyanshu, Pratishtha, as well as who sent me Adrika's and Dhwani. Dhwani is not present over here, but she also made a very nice chart. So I want one video, one very good video from these ones. And Divyanshu, there was some problem in your one. I'm telling you what is the issue in your. बेटा दिव्यांशु को बहुत अच्छा बनाया है, वेरी नाइस. बट बेटा आपने ये जो जीरोस हैं ये अंदर जा सकते हैं या नहीं जा सकते हैं? बेटा जीरोस आपने रॉन्ग बनाए हैं. दिव्यांशु, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, see what mistake you made here. आपने ये किलोमीटर हेक्टोमीटर सही बनाया है, बट ये जीरोस वाला जो है ये आपने रॉन्ग साइड पे बना लिया बेटा। वो दिस इज द मिस्टेक यू हैव मेड। ये हमें अंदर वी कैन इंसर्ट इट एंड टेक इट आउट आल्सो। 1 के आगे देयर शुड बी 6 zeros in every case. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
like this you have to do. बस इतनी सी मिस्टेक कर दी है, तो आप ये जो जीरोस वाला बनाया ना, इसको फिर से कर लेना 100 वाला, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
उसको फिर से बना लो, उसको ठीक करके मेक वन वीडियो एंड वेरी नाइसली यू मेड इट। इतना प्यारा लग रहा है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक इट्स क्यूट एज यू आर क्यूट, सिमिलरली इट इज लुकिंग क्यूट। So I hope you will do it. Okay everyone, so let us कर दोगे ना? Today you will send me the videos.
Yes, ma'am.
How much time you want?
But ma'am, I will be able to send you the video after 2 p.m. ma'am.
Okay, after 2 p.m. Okay. If you want till tomorrow's time, I can give you tomorrow's time also.
Ma'am, I will be sending my video by afternoon.
Okay, beta. Chalo, today I'm giving you time. Tomorrow, by tomorrow, before tomorrow, we are having any class? Tomorrow we are having any class? Switch on your cameras, everyone. Switch on your cameras. This is not the way to sit idle and behind the cameras.
No, ma'am. We have no class tomorrow.
Okay, you don't have question. Page 137 in your books, question number 2. Okay. Pratyush, read question number 2. Pratyush, read question number 2. Pratyush, are you able to hear me or not? Okay, Anjali, read question 2. Let me see how many of you are not responding. Anjali?
Ma'am, question number 2 is a carpet has a length that is twice its breadth. If its breadth is 3 meter, find its area and perimeter.
Okay. So what is given? Twice. There is one word written over here, twice. The word twice means 2 times. The word twice means 2 times. 2 times को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Twice. जैसे 3 times होते हैं, thrice we call 3 times. Thrice किसको होता है? 3 times बोलते हैं. Okay. Thrice we call 3 times and twice we call 2 times. 2 times means 2 multiply by, and 3 times means 3 multiply by that, whatever. So what is given here? It is given here that the length, a carpet has a length twice its breadth. Carpet की length जो है वो उसकी breadth की twice है. Okay. And what is given here? If the breadth is 3 meters, so what we will write first, what is given to us? Breadth दी हुई है. Breadth of carpet. Breadth of a carpet. So breadth of a carpet is given to us as 3 meters. So length क्या हो जाएगी? Length is double of, twice of length of carpet. What is length of a carpet? जल्दी से बताओ मुझे.
Ma'am, 2 multiplied by 3.
Very good. 2
Ma'am,
multiplied.
multiplied by 3.
See, 2 times breadth. Twice का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 times I told you. Very good. 2 multiply. Very good. Excellent. 2 times breadth means 2 multiplied by 3 centimeter, which is equals to 6 centimeter. Now the breadth and length of the carpet is 6 centimeter. Now you have to find out its पहले क्या लिखा है? Area. Area. What is the formula for area?
Ma'am, area of a carpet equals
Ma'am,
to
side by side.
Ma'am, side by side.
Beta,
Or
no.
ma'am,
No.
length. Ma'am,
It's length into breadth. Sides are not equal here. If the sides are equal, then side into side. But here the sides are not equal, so we will take L into B. Just put L
Ma'am,
to
length
B.
by breadth.
Now the perimeter of carpet. is equals to 2 multiplied by L plus B. Let's solve it. Quickly solve it. Let me take the attendance by the time. Just give me a minute. Take. See now here. Area of carpet, what should be written over under a length? What should be written under length?
Ma'am, 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter, okay. And breadth? Wait,
Ma'am,
wait. This is not centimeter, this is meter. And units are very important. This is also meter. This is 6 meter. And what is breadth?
Ma'am, 3 meter. Ma'am, 3 meter.
So answer will be what?
Ma'am, what?
Answer.
Ma'am, answer 18 meter. Ma'am, 18.
Am I
Ma'am,
correct?
18.
Am I correct? Have I written it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I said no. No. No, I'm not correct over here. Why? Can somebody tell me? Yes, Divyanshu?
Ma'am, because ma'am, we have not started ma'am perimeter of carpet.
Because I'm not?
Ma'am, we have not written ma'am perimeter of carpet.
No, this we have written here. Perimeter of carpet here. Answer I have written wrong, I'm telling. Why? Have I written the answer wrong or correct? And if wrong, why? My answer is wrong, I'm saying. Why?
Ma'am, it's not wrong.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it's not wrong.
It's wrong.
No,
My
ma'am, it's
answer is
not.
wrong. It is. It
No,
is.
ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it is correct.
You are
See
tricking
this
us.
answer carefully. See this answer. I'm not saying this is wrong. I'm saying this answer is wrong. This 18 meter is wrong.
Ma'am, I got the mistake.
Yes, tell me, Samay.
Ma'am, you should write 18 centimeter.
No. Why centimeter? This is in meter. This is given in meter. Then only meter will come over here. No. Why centimeter?
Ma'am, I can't understand what is the mistake in this.
Beta, always the area has to be meter square. Understood it? It should
Yes,
be meter
ma'am.
square, not meters. Okay? Area must be in meter square. Any area if you are taking. Okay, what is the perimeter of the carpet?
Ma'am, 18 meter.
How will you calculate it? What will you write here? 2 multiplied by 6 meter
Ma'am, 2
plus,
multiplied by 6 meter plus 3 meter.
what will come here? What will come here?
Ma'am, 18
2
meter.
multiplied by 9 meters, which is equals to 18 meter. So you can write the so statement yourself. So the perimeter of the carpet is this much. Perimeter of the carpet is 18 meter and area of the carpet is 18 meter square. Both the answers are coming 18.
So, ma'am, can we write as the length, so the area and the perimeter of a carpet is 18 meter?
हाँ नहीं, एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर नहीं लिख सकते आप. देखो बेटा, स्टिल वही मैं कह रही हूँ, यहाँ पर चेंज है. दिस इज मीटर स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज जस्ट मीटर्स. Therefore, you cannot write 18.
So the area of carpet is 18 meter square, and ma'am, under the area can we write
Perimeter.
perimeter of carpet equal to 18 meter?
Yes, this is correct. Okay, now let us start the next question. Third one we are not going to do in notebook because it is very easy. ब्लैक बोर्ड की लेंथ दे रखी है, ब्लैक बोर्ड की ब्रेथ दे रखी है, उसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना, उसका एरिया फाइंड करना. आई होप यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ, है ना. तो क्वेश्चन 3 वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू इन नोटबुक, एज वेल एज क्वेश्चन 4 आल्सो we are not going to do in notebook. It is also simple. The side of a square sandpit is 14 meters. साइड दे रखी है स्क्वायर की, आपको उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है और आप उसको उसका पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है. हो जाएगा. It is easy. Both of them are very easy. Now we are going to start the fifth one. Let's complete this today itself. 10 minutes are left and we can finish it in 10 minutes. Okay.
Mama, I have so statement like this.
कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. Okay, now see here. Now we are going to do question number 5. 3, 4 we will not do. 3, 4 we will not do. We will start with question 5. Question 5, the sides. Put dot 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 in between. Peri.
Ma'am, we will not do question number 3 and 4.
अभी मैंने क्या बोला था प्रतिष्ठा? Where were you? I told you the third question I explained you. Simple length दे रखी है, breadth दे रखी है, उसका एरिया का फॉर्मूला लिखना है, breadth इसका फॉर्मूला लिखना है, एरिया का फॉर्मूला लिखना है और पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला लिखना है और दोनों की कैलकुलेट कर लेनी है. ठीक है. ऐसे ही फोर्थ वाले में भी है, साइड दे रखी है, एरिया का फॉर्मूला लिखो, पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला लिखो, जस्ट राइट द फॉर्मूलास, सॉल्व देम एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. सिंपल. देयर इज नथिंग न्यू. ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट. ये फर्स्ट और सेकंड जैसा ही हो जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स सी द फोर्थ वन. लेट्स सी द फिफ्थ वन. सॉरी. ओके. ओम, रीड द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. ओम, रीड द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. हृदयांश और मेहुल, तुम दोनों को मैं बाहर करूंगी क्लास के, बिकॉज यू नेवर रिस्पॉन्ड इन क्लास. If you are not sitting in class and not responding at all, that means you are not in class, and better you leave the class if you are not responding.
No, ma'am, I am disconnecting again and again.
Om, now you tell me. Om, read the next question number 5. Om, these days you are not studying at all. I bet you कि आज आप कल बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ रहे हो. Yes, Om, tell me.
What?
Question number 5.
Ma'am, question number 5.
Very good. You don't know where the page is. Very nice. Pratishtha, you read the fifth question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the fifth question is, the sides of a triangle are 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter respectively. Find its
Respectively.
perimeter.
It's
Ma'am,
respectively. Say it again. Respectively.
respectively.
Yes.
Respectively.
Yes.
Okay,
Find
ma'am.
its perimeter.
Ma'am, here the question is telling that there is a triangle with
अच्छा, पहले
sides
मैं आपको
are
respectively का meaning बता देती हूँ. Wait. Let me tell you the meaning of respectively. Respectively means the first one is given as the side first, second number is given as the side second, and third number is given as the third side. Okay? हाँ, Pratishtha, now you tell.
Ma'am, here the question is telling that the sides of a triangle are, first one is of 11 centimeter, second one is of 12 centimeter, and third one is of 13 centimeter. Here, ma'am, now we have to find its perimeter.
Okay, what is the formula of perimeter? What is the formula for perimeter?
Ma'am, sum of all sides.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Sum of all sides. So, ma'am, here we will be writing perimeter equal to sum of all sides.
Yes.
And ma'am, here we are gonna add all the sides.
Yes, ma'am. Then we will be writing 11 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 13 centimeter.
Very good.
And ma'am, the answer will be come and it will be the perimeter.
Okay, start doing it. जल्दी से finish.
Ma'am, I have done, and ma'am, I am writing so statement.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Wait, let others also do it.
The
Miss?
answer is 36 centimeter.
36 centimeters. Okay. Okay, now let's see the last one. A basketball court is rectangular in shape. A rectangular basketball court is there. Length is 12 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Find its perimeter and area. ये बेटा बिल्कुल फोर्थ वाले की तरह है, थर्ड वाले की तरह है. थर्ड वाला हमने नहीं किया तो we are doing the sixth one. This is very easy. Try to do it yourself and अपने आप करो. अपने आप करो. A basketball. Try to do it yourself. Try to do it yourself. A basketball से लेकर area तक. Start doing it. Let's see the length of court. Length of court is how much? 12 meters.
And 12 meters.
Write the breadth of court. Is equals to 10 meters. Okay. Now we will take out, you have to take out its perimeter and its area. Area of perimeter, your perimeter or area. Area of court is equals to, do it yourself. You have to do it yourself. L into B as well as the perimeter of court. To multiply by L plus B. Just do it quickly. 1 minute is left. Solve it. And I'll check this in next period. You will send it to me on WhatsApp in next period. I'll send you the answer in the next period.
Ma'am, I am done.
Do this and send the answer to me.